I didn't say anything.
Yes, you did.
I said if it doesn't rain tomorrow, we will take the car for a car wash or a truck wash. Is that okay with you, Mrs. Rowan Isabella Dedman? I think you probably should take a nap because you're a little crazy right now. Are you ignoring me now? Rowan, are you ignoring me? That's super rude.
Where's Daddy?
He's at Lexington, brother.
I like Daddy.
Okay, we're going. Maybe sister will fall asleep.
Daddy Bear just fall asleep on the floor.
Fall asleep on the floor then.
Yeah. That will make me funny. I fall asleep on the hotel floor.
You did fall asleep on the floor in the hotel.
But I didn't. I just did I?
No, you didn't. You stayed on the bed.
Yeah. I did. But I didn't see. Did I?
Mm-mm.
I did see.
No, you didn't. You were sleeping.
I was.
Yes.
Yeah, like this. Like that. Sandal drawn me. It's a big one. It's a big one.
Where are we going right now?
I'm the balcony.
Yes, we are.
I wish we could go to the warehouse.
Go where?
The warehouse.
Well, tell Daddy you want to go to the warehouse. He'll take you.
Because I want to drive in his car. And you could drive brother in your car.
Oh, is that what you want to do?
No, I'm just going to Gardner. I'm going to Daddy's car. Are you mini funky? Oh, yeah, bird.
Are you sleepy, Brother Bear? Huh? You don't know if he's sleepy. Brody, don't take your shoes off, Bug.
Yes, I do if he's sleepy.
No, you don't know.
Yes, I do.
Rowan Isabella. You don't know.
Yes, I do.
Brody, are you sleepy?
Yeah,
Oh.
because I know.
Okay, Rowan, relax. And you better not yell it at me anymore. Do you understand?
Yes.
Why are you being so yucky?
You're being funny.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
How am I being yucky?
You're teaching me not to learn.
I'm teaching you not to learn?
No,
What does that even mean? Just go to bed.
no.
You don't even know what you're talking about.
Yes, I do.
What are you talking about then?
I don't know.
That's what I told you. You don't know. Just go to bed, Charlie.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Brother, brother, is sister being a crazy train? Right. Brother, who's your favorite wrestler? Rusev. Okay, who else do you like? Who did you just say? Did you say Lana? Who's that?
Anna.
Who's Anna?
On Frozen?
Okay, Rowan, just close your mouth. I'm asking brother about wrestlers. Anna is not a wrestler.
Oh, she's a Frozen character.
No, she's not.
Yes, she is.
No, she's not.
Yes, she is.
Anna is a Frozen character.
She is.
Okay.
Everyone here?
What, Brother Bear? Excuse me? I always know what I'm talking about. You are so tired. You need to go to bed because you're acting very ugly right now. So I suggest that you close your eyes and take a little nap. Today, by the way, is May 3rd, 2018. Rowan is 4 years old. Brody just turned 3, and she's having a little spaz. Actually, she's not having a little spaz. This is pretty much her attitude. So, yay for teen years. Yes, babe. Oscar, what?
No, Luxtony is ball.
No, Luxtony's right there. I could already see it.
I can't.
Didn't I tell you to take a nap, Gina?
I can't.
I don't think your sister deserves anything. Rowan. Rowana, answer me. Okay, then you don't get any treats.
Because I will.
Because you will what?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, Rowan. Say sorry for acting yucky.
Sorry.
Why are you being like that?
I don't know.
Maybe because you're tired?
No.
Because you woke everybody up at 6 a.m.?
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay, that's the end of our truck conversation as Luxtony is right there on the horizon.